Good morning, everyone. Now you see the name of the chapter is motion, and the topic is speed and velocity. Because you know it in your previous class, distance and displacement, those are completed. Now, what is speed? First question, what is speed? Speed is defined of an object as distance traveled by the object per unit time. Per unit distance traveled by the object per unit time. Okay? From this definition, we can write the speed of the unit of the speed. Speed has a particular unit. Speed has a physical quantity. So what is the unit of the speed? Unit of the speed, first we know the unit of the distance. Unit of the distance is meter, unit of the time is second. So we can write in this form, meter per second or meter second to the power minus 1 or meter per second. As you wish, you can write it. This is the SI unit, you know it. Unit in SI. If you consider unit in CGS, it will be the centimeter per second. Also, we use the unit of speed is kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. So, first we consider kilometer per hour. How can we change in meter per second? So many problem in our students. So, kilometer per hour, 1 kilometer per hour. We know relation between the kilometer and the meter. 1 kilometer equal to how many meter? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 hour equal to how many second? 3600 second. So if you cancel it, you see, you remember it. So many books you see the kilometer per hour, when it will be changed into the meter per second, that time only multiply with the 5 by 18. So why we can, why we know 1 kilometer per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second? Because you know the relation between the kilometer and the meter and hour and second. This is the relation. Next. Which type of physical quantities? Because you know it, two types of physical quantities. One is the scalar, another is the vector. So distance is the scalar. Distance is the scalar, so speed must be time also scalar. Scalar. It has only magnitude, no direction. So it is the scalar quantity. Next. It will be measured with the help of an instrument. The name of the instrument is odometer. Name of the instrument is odometer. First and foremost question, sometimes you see one questions here, that is the how many types of speed? First is uniform speed. Second is non-uniform speed. Third is average speed. So, uniform speed. How can you find out the value of uniform speed? Uniform speed means if you consider car is moving on the road, equal interval of time, equal distance if the car will cover it. Suppose from here to there the distance is 2 kilometer, time is taken 5 minutes. Here distance is again 2 kilometer, the time will taken, time is taken 5 minutes, and same as it is, same interval of time. So that time when you calculate it, speed of the vehicle, speed of the car, it must be the uniform. Non-uniform means if the distance are different for the same time interval. Distance are different for the same time interval. That means if you consider when the train entering the station, that means the time is, if the time is same but distance is different, that time it will be the non-uniform speed. Average speed. Average speed means if you consider you start from here and move in this direction and again that direction, again that direction. Means you start from here and finally you will reach at that point of D. You see the distance from here to there is S1, time is taken T1. This is the S2, time is taken to T2, and this is the S3, time is taken T3. So what will be the average? Average speed? Average speed equal to total distance, means distance traveled by this object. Total distance by total time taken. That is S1 plus S2 plus S3 by T1 plus T2 plus T3. That is the average speed. Clear? Average speed. So many numericals are there. You also try to complete it from your NCERT book. Next, velocity. Velocity. Velocity is defined as the displacement traveled by this object per unit time. We can write it here. Velocity equal to displacement by time. So distance by time is the speed and displacement by time is the velocity. So it is the physical quantity. So which type of physical quantities? It must be the vector, because displacement is the vector. So vector divided by the scalar, that means the vector. So velocity is a vector quantity. Next, what is the unit of velocity? The unit of displacement is meter. Unit of time is second. So we can write here meter per second. or meter second to the power minus 1. For the larger scale, we use it kilometer per hour. For the smaller scale, that means the CGS system, it will be the centimeter per second. Okay, clear my student?